We serve right around 3,000 people a month now. We gain 20 to 25 people every single week. We have a special distribution for vets. That is Mondays from 10 to 11 o'clock. The general distribution is on Tuesdays from 6 o'clock in the evening till 8 o'clock, and on Thursdays from 11 o'clock till 1 o'clock. 80% of all the people that come through the food pantry are senior citizens and veterans in need. Right now I would guess we're getting over $80,000 worth of food a month in here. We run out of boxes and bags, so anyone new coming in, please bring a heavy duty bag like an Aldi's bag. When you come through, they'll give you a number and you'll keep the other side of the ticket in your pocket. And that number goes into the back room with your bag, and they'll pick out a chicken, a pork, and a beef, and that's determined by your family size. If you're just one, you get one of each. If you're a family of 12, which we have one of those, then you get much more than just the one. We basically then find a box for you and make sure you get out there with enough food for your family to eat for a week. We do it every single week, and we don't qualify people with zip codes. That's an important thing. Anyone in the Beaver County area can come. The reactions are funny. Everyone's appreciative. They know that we're all volunteers. Sometimes they'll hug you and cry because you gave them food for that week. I mean, it's an amazing thing. You try to joke with them as much as you can to lighten their days, and but I don't know what to say with there are people that appreciate what they're getting.